Hey you guys, so as you can see, I got my package via FedEx, and this wig is from a company called Superbwigs. You guys should be familiar with this company if you are following me on my channel. Anyway, this is like my third time working with this company and I absolutely love them. This is the packaging that you guys are going to receive. As you can see, the box is intact and you get a wig, you get some wig caps. It did come with elastic bands that you can adjust and you can also remove if you want, and it also came with all of the information and specs on the wig. So as you guys can see, it is very well packaged. This is a 360 unit. This is a bob wig, so it's not that long. I will have all of the specs and everything down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. It does have combs, and again, those are the elastic bands that I was telling you about that are adjustable. Now, you guys are seeing my face. This is me after I cut off the lace and I tried on the wig. As you can see, this wig is like helmet looking. Like, it really doesn't look that good straight out of the pack. But we're going to work on that, you guys. You just sit back, watch, and it's, yeah, enjoy me making this wig not look like a helmet.
Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you'll see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me?
Okay, you guys, so I just had to come back and share with you the product that I'm using right now, which is a hair straightening brush, and I received it from a company called Duval. If you guys are familiar with my videos, then you've seen me use a flat iron that I also received from Duval, and I absolutely love it. It has this cool feature where it auto shuts off, because girls, you know, sometimes we forget to shut off our appliances, and yeah, so this is cool to have. It does go up to 410 degrees, and I must say I absolutely love it. It's not hot enough for me. I think it should get a little hotter than 410. I think it should go up to like 450, but hey, it did the job. I absolutely love it. I did go in with my flat iron, from the same company, a little bit after that, just to get it a little more straight. But you guys, like, I really like this brush. I'm gonna use it again in another video. I'm gonna try it on my kinky straight unit. I want to see if it works on that, because this wig is pretty much straight already. It's already silky, so yeah. Anyway, I have all of the information to this brush down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there and use those coupon codes, ladies. Use them.
Every little thing I do for you, like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you so our eyes can finally meet.
So that is pretty much it, you guys, for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching me turn this wig that looked like a helmet when I first put it on. you guys saw the whole transformation. Anyway, if you did like the video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And again, check down below in the description box. It'll take you right to everything you need to know. And yeah, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below in the comment section. And you know, girls know I'll get back to you. On that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.